In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the relay board in your dryer. So to remove the relay board on your dryer, the first thing you're going to want to do is take the top off. And on this model, you need to remove a couple of screws from the back. Your machine may have 3 screws or 4 screws. However many are there, you need to remove them. These are just Phillips head screws, or you can use a 5/16 or 10mm nut driver. With the screws removed, the top is just going to pull back. You just give it a little wiggle, and that'll release it. And you can just take it off and set it to one side. Now with the top off, in here is where a relay board exists. On your machine, it may be in the back corner, it may be on the opposite side, but typically you're going to find your relay board mounted up near the top and fairly close to your control panel. In order to get at the relay board, we're just, again on this model, needing a Phillips screwdriver. And we're going to take out these screws. And again on yours, there may be more than just these 3 screws, or it may only be one that holds it. It just depends on the manufacturer. The screw is removed, and now lets us slide this out of position. And there's your relay board. So our wiring harnesses are held by a couple of keepers. So we're just going to negotiate the harness out of them. So now we want to start removing these harnesses from the board. Now they're all different sizes of these connectors, so it's pretty much impossible to get them in the wrong place when you go to put them back on. But if you're unsure and you want to just be that extra bit of cautious so you know everything goes back where it was, just take a picture with your smartphone and then you can refer to that when the time comes. So most of these harnesses all have a lock on them to keep them secured to the board. So to remove them, you just go to find the locking tab, just give it a little squeeze, and then just wiggle the wire out of position. So with these ones, there's no actual latch. We just have to physically wiggle them off. This one has a latch, so we'll give that a squeeze and pull that away. So now we'll just want to take our Phillips screwdriver, and as you can see, there's one screw that holds this board onto the frame. Now your machine may have more than one. However many there are, that's what you'll want to remove. Handy using a magnetic screwdriver. With that screw removed, we're able to lift our board and slip it out of the metal housing. And that's how easy it is to remove the relay board on your dryer.